The era when McDonald's undeniably held the top spot for French fries is a thing of the past. New competitors have emerged, and the quality of McDonald's fries has shifted over time. Changes in the recipe have led to fries that aren't consistently crispy and are sometimes improperly salted, either too much or too little. Many competitors have elevated their game, including some new entrants who have recently joined the scene. Here are the 7 types of French fries that have a real chance at claiming the title. Arby's curly fries are adored by fans and frequently come up in discussions about the best fries. While Arby's is known for its meats, many consider their fries to be the standout item on the menu. Some might suggest that curly fries belong in a category of their own, so let's shift our focus to a more traditional French fry. Five Guys demonstrates their commitment to high-quality ingredients by displaying a sign in their stores indicating the origin of their potatoes, such as Rexburg ID, Floyd Wilcox & Sons Inc. Their fries are made from freshly cut skin-on potatoes, served in an overflowing cup that often leaves a greasy mark on your brown paper bag. Personally, I find these fries to be the best on this list, especially the plain Five Guys style, rather than the Cajun style, that some might prefer. This is a perfect match for their equally impressive burgers. This entrant comes with a significant caveat. Shake Shack's crinkle-cut fries are absolutely amazing when they're hot and fresh out of the fryer. However, once they cool down, they lose their appeal. Our recommendation is to enjoy them in person at the store while they're still warm and delicious. Popeye's fries are considered a novelty fry because they feature a Cajun seasoning. If you're someone who appreciates that spicy kick and enjoys Popeye's cuisine overall, you might be a strong advocate for these fries. However, for some, including these fries among the top 6 can be a bit contentious. As you'll discover, many other excellent fry options didn't make it into the final selection. Certainly, here's the rewritten text for a YouTube narration. No list of contenders for McDonald's fry crown would be complete without mentioning Chick-fil-A's waffle fries. These fries stand out not just for their taste, but also for their unique shape and satisfying mouthfeel. While Raising Cane's is best known for their chicken tenders, the crinkle-cut fries deserve some attention too. These fries are particularly delightful when paired with the Texas toast. Top them off with Cane's sauce, and you'll have a delicious combination. Wendy's undeniably has superior fries compared to McDonald's. They're slightly thicker, while still maintaining that satisfying crispiness, enhanced by a sprinkle of sea salt for added flavor. For those seeking a bit more excitement, consider trying their Baconator fries, or perhaps just their classic cheese fries, which are also available. We apologize to Burger King, Portillo's, KFC, Culver's, Zaxby's, In-N-Out, and the rest, as you just didn't make the cut as true contenders. The fact remains, McDonald's fries are still quite impressive. And this leads us to an important consideration. What do you think? Leave us a comment to let us know. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to The Coconut Mama on YouTube at youtube.com/@thecoconutmama for more.